If you're growing your electrical contracting business, you need Electrical Bid Manager by Vision InfoSoft. Electrical Bid Manager is accurate, all-in-one software that takes the guesswork out of bidding your jobs. It can cost you money to keep guesstimating, and manual tracking becomes overwhelming, time-consuming, and ultimately unsustainable. Eliminate stress and improve your bottom line with electronic takeoff, live materials pricing, and automatic calculations. Electrical Bid Manager will help you produce accurate, competitive, consistent bids every time. With access to thousands of pre-built assemblies and the flexibility to create assemblies on the fly, Electrical Bid Manager makes it easy to ensure nothing gets missed. Add costs like non-productive labor, subs, and other direct job expenses. Review and adjust your profit margin to maximize your revenue while still being competitive. And just like that, you've created an accurate, professional-looking bid. Electrical Bid Manager is used by contractors of all sizes, so whether you're bidding small jobs or multi-million-dollar jobs, Electrical Bid Manager will scale with you. Win more profitable bids in less time with Electrical Bid Manager. Schedule a live demo today.